Using the rectangle method to multiply decimals. A rectangular piece of card has a length of 0.8 metres and a width 0.2 metres. What is its area? So if we draw a sketch, we've got our piece of card and it's 0.8 metres long and it's 0.2 metres wide. So we're trying to find what is the area of the card. In other words, how many square metres it takes to fill the card completely. So now we can see that we have to find the area, and to find the area of a rectangle we have to multiply the two sides together. So it is 0.2 times 0.8. To do that, it's easier to actually draw ourselves a little rectangle. But rather than on one side of our rectangle we have got 0.2 and it's being times by 0.8. So how do we work out 0.2 times 0.8? Basically, it looks like we've got 2 times 8. So let's work that out first as 16. However, we didn't actually have 2. We didn't have the 16 point nothing. We didn't have 2. We didn't have the whole number. We'd actually move the decimal point one place to the left to have 0.2. So in our answer, where we said it's 16 as a whole number with a decimal point at the end, the decimal point has to move one place back to recognise that. And also in the second number, we didn't have 8. The decimal point wasn't there. It was one place back. So therefore, in the answer, we're going to have to move the decimal point another place back to put our decimal point here in our final answer. So the answer will be 0.16. 0.16. So the answer to the question, what is the area of this piece of card? It's 0.16 metre squares. And that's going to tell us our area.